Welcome all. We have already started our second lesson. We have seen the 5-digit numbers also. Now for you in this class you are having the introduction of 6-digit number, 7-digit number and so on. So before we proceed further, just see something is written on the board. Yes, we are going to introduce the 6-digit number. So it is related or we are going to term it as a lakh. So how we are going to write these digits in particularly the term of lakh? Just see. This is unit. This is tens. This is 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So I am just going to write these particular numbers into words. So just help me out for solving this. Now it is always I am writing the commas and you should also keep the habit of writing the commas. In the next numbers I have not given it, but always see that after 3 digit you are going to give the comma and later you are going to give the commas after 2 digit. Right now your 2 digits were over, so I gave the comma, and here only 1 digit was there, that's why I kept it a single one. So it is 4,71,876. It is 4,71,876. Is this clear? Okay. Just next one number you can see. First thing I am going to do, I am going to separate it. First I am going to 3 digits. So 3 digits, 1 comma and after 2 digits. So it will be very easy for you to understand. It is 1,23,450. It is 1,73,000. Sorry, it is 23,000. My mistake. It is 23,000. 450. Can you tell me the next number which is present below? Yes, I am just going to separate it first by 3. Yes, 3 and later 2 digits. How I am going to read this out? It is 4 lakh and directly nothing is present, so 4 lakh and 76. I am just going to write 4 lakh and 76. Is this clear for you? Now, if the figures are, if words are given, how to convert in figures, that we will see. 7,03,008. Lakhs means it is 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. 7 lakhs. So at lakhs place I am going to write 7. 3,000. Are they speaking about 30,000? No, they are speaking about 3,000. So 10,000 place they are not speaking anything. So if 10,000 place is not there, so we are going to write it 0. The next one is which number? They have told you 3,000. If you observe here, this is lakh, this is 10,000, this is 1,000, this is 100, this is tens and this is unit. 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs. 3,000. So at 1,000 I am going to write 3. 10,000 place is not present, so I am just going to represent it by 0. And 8. 100 place is not there. Tens place is also not there. So both the places are going to come 0 and 8. So this will be your number. There is no necessity of writing this down. For your understanding, I have just told you. Now just pay attention here. 9,99,999. Sorry, 9,99,000. No, sorry, my mistake. Just 1 minute. It is 99,000. And 99. So 9 lakhs. So it will be 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 lakhs. So at lakhs I am going to write at that particular place 9. 99,000. So it will be 99,000 and 99. 100 place is not present, so it is going to be represented as 0 and 99. So here is the explanation of these two concepts, that is to write in words and to write in the figures. Okay, so now expanded form of 6-digit number. So just pay attention here the board. First number I have already given here. It is 4,71,876. It is 4,71,876. How I am going to expand it? I said 4 lakhs. So 4 And after that, how many zeros will be there? Yes, it will be 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because lakhs it is 6 digits. Including 4, it will be 6. So 7, it is coming at the 10,000 place. So I am just going to write it as 70,000 plus 1,000. 8 stands for 100 place, so it is 800 plus 70 plus 6. There is one small trick over here. Just I will tell you, the students who are not understanding this form, just focus on the next number. If you focus here, I am just going to first give the commas. This is 3,20,006. 3,20,006. So 3 lakhs. So just write this 3 as it is. How many numbers are there after 3? 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am just going to give 5 zeros. Next is 2. I will write 2 here. How many numbers are there after 2? Yes, there are 4 numbers, so 4 zeros. Plus 0 is present here. Whenever 0 is present, you are not supposed to write anything at the front or back. You are just going to represent it by 0. Next, again here 0 is present. That also I will write as it is. Again, one 0 is present at the tens place. I am just going to write as it is. And 6 is at the unit place. So this is the expansion. Just focus on the next number. We will go like the earlier one. This is 1,36,871. So 1 lakh. 1 I will write. How many numbers are there after it? Yes, there are 5 numbers. So I am just going to write 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now focus on the next number. That is 3. 3 I will write here. How many numbers are there after 3? 4 numbers. So 4 zeros. Plus. Which is the next number? 6. After 6, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. After 6, which is the number? 8. So 8, after 8, how many numbers are there? 2. So it will be 2 zeros. After 8, which is the number? 7. After 7, how many numbers are present here? You can see only 1, so 1 0. And the next one will be, the last one is 1. Is this clear for you? Okay. So now we will just pay attention on the next part to form the numbers from the expanded form. If expanded form is given, how we are going to write down the number? You can see here it is 7 lakhs 3,008. 7 lakhs. So 6 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this clear? Okay. 7 lakhs. So at lakhs place, it is 7 is for sure. 1,000, 10,000. What is present here? No, there is no number for 10,000. So I am just going to represent here 0. We are having that is the 1,000 one. That is 3,000. So at 1,000 place 3 will come. 100, any one number is present here in the question? No. So it will be 0. Next, tens place anyone is present here? Tens also no one is there, so it will be again 0. And the next one will be, yes, unit place, that is 8. Just pay attention on the near the board here. It is 3,40,870 and 6. 3 lakhs. So almost it will be 6 digit number. So 3 will come at the lakhs place. 40,000. So 4 will come at the 10,000 place. 1,000 is present here in the question. Can you tell me anywhere 1,000 is there? No. No number is representing 1,000 here. So when 1,000 is there, you write down. Okay, just pay attention here. It is 800. So 100 place someone is there, that is 800. So I am just going to write 8 at the 100 place. Then will be tens. So here 70 is representing the tens place. So 7 I am going to write at the 10th place. And the next one is 6, that is going to come at the unit place. I hope you have understood the expanded form, and if expanded form is given, how to write down the numbers. Thank you.